Hi, the reason you are watching this because someone may have met you and found you intelligent or sharp enough to see a business opportunity, a mentorship program where you will be uh, basically going through some process steps that may qualify you to become an entrepreneur. Now, this is only the initial steps you're going through, and I just want to throw some light on whatever you have seen so far. Uh, I don't know whether you have seen the ESBI quadrant. That is something which is the most important concept to understand if you really want to be a part of this program. I don't know what you do, what is your background, what is your academia. Myself, I have a master's in electrical engineering. I have worked in premier companies in the United States and have multiple accolades with electrical engineering. But because of this entrepreneurship, because of this mentorship program, me and my wife, who has a master's in computer science, work for major companies. We are both financially free. When we say financially free means we don't have a boss, okay? We are not in that E quadrant, which I will talk about. Okay, we are actually in the B quadrant. So what is this ESBI quadrant? ESBI quadrant actually are four quadrants where all the people fall into in the world. Okay, E and S, which are the quadrants which we basically show on the left side. If you really make four quadrants, the left quadrants are E and S. These are the people who sells their hours. Okay, they lease their life. They just rent their themselves. Okay, after getting a degree, all you have to do is you just sell your hours every day. Your hours are billable. Okay, and the way you make it billable, you acquire some skills. The skills can be an IT, can be an engineering, a doctor, medical doctor, accountant, lawyer. These are all called skills to make your hours billable, because God has sent us with a fixed amount of hours, and you just take some hours out every day and sell it. So when you do that, at some point of time you will find out that you are running out of hours. Why? Because this is absolutely depreciable. Okay, so what is happening is depreciating asset. So at some point of time you have no hours, and the money which you got also is finished. So most of the people, they start at the age of 21, 23, and by the time they reach about 58, 60, okay, when their hours, billable hours are going down, now they are at the mercy of Social Security, they are mercy of pension, or somebody else, or government, or something like that. So this is the biggest problem of E and S, which the colleges and universities will never talk about, because the professors also don't know, because they themselves are in the E and S quadrant. So through this mentorship program, we teach people to go into the quadrant called B. And that B is how to increase your hours. And that can only happen if you learn this word called networking. Okay, now you may have heard of networking, may not have heard the way we understand, like Uber, Instagram, Facebook, any kind of Airbnb, any kind of franchise, everything is network. Okay, because what they did was, when these founders of these companies, they were in E and S, but they basically franchised their hours, they duplicated their hours, so that when they are not even active, those hours are still producing money. So this is exactly what we teach. This is exactly what you are going through right now. So you will be seeing much more on this, but what I'm looking for, or what your coach is looking for right now, somebody who is really looking for something in life. If you are excited with your ENS quadrant, keep on doing it. Okay, no problem. One day the hours will finish, and you know what happened. You just check your family, you check your all the people who are in that quadrant, what they do. But we teach you how to have a life of financial freedom, because today, because of this, me and my wife, we are financially free for more than 15 years, and we live in a state in New Jersey, and the same kind of education which we will impart you. But again, this is a both-way street. We are looking into your work ethic. We are looking into how much is your vision, okay, whether you get swayed away by other negative people, by your own family or friends, because one thing which I will tell you, a lot of exciting things are there, but most people don't have open mind. And even after watching this video, somebody can kill your dream, and we will not see you again. No problem for us, but you will lose an opportunity for the rest of your life. So at this point, it's all exploratory. Let's talk more. But if everything goes okay, you may be facing an amazing opportunity in front of you, with an income potential of 6-figure going 7 figures. Because me and my wife, we both had 6-figure income each, and today we replace this through this program. So I hope you qualify and hope you understand more. Write down all the questions you have, and maybe one day we will see each other. Thank you.